What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing these gel polishes, which, by the way, you guys, are glow in the dark. I'm so excited about that. And also we're going to be unboxing a PolyGel kit, and I must give it to this brand. They reached out to me and I was a little skeptical. I'm always a little skeptical when it comes to trying new brands. I don't know why. It's probably the Scorpio in me. But they sent me this package super quickly. It was in a huge box. I was like, what is that? And I wasn't expecting this kind of quality, but I was I am very impressed, and I was very impressed when I got that package. So this is a brand that I believe you can purchase on Amazon. I will leave all of the special details in the description box and on my blog post to go with this video. It's been a little crazy to keep up with all of the different brands, so I want to make sure I don't misquote myself. But anyways, yeah, so these are glow in the dark. My first thoughts of the formula were that it's just really very I don't really know. I don't want to say it's very silky, I guess you could say. Or very, the paint, it flows very nicely. It's not thick, it's not sticky, it's just very flowy. And I don't really know how to say that, you guys. I'm so sorry. But I really like that because it's giving super easy to use vibes. And I don't know if you guys saw my previous video on one of them when I told you guys I was going to be unboxing some glow-in-the-dark gel polishes. So here they are. And I did give you guys an opportunity to comment on that video and tell me what design idea you think I'm most excited to do with these. So if you guess it and you are the first person to guess it correctly, then you will be able to get a $25 cash app from me. So be sure to go watch my previous uploads, locate that video. It was one of the Madam Glam videos, I'm not sure which one, but yeah, you guys, I'm so excited. So I just cannot with these. I'm so excited to experiment with them, to see how well they work. The purple, the pink, the blue, they all looked really different than what I had imagined that they would look like. And then we're gonna also show, this is after they were cured, and I'm gonna show you guys them in the dark as well. Look at that. So I was looking at it and it looks like the colors are pretty much like the same color in the daylight as they are in the dark. So the purple is purple, the blue is blue, the green is green, the red is, the hot pink is red, and then the orange is orange, and the yellow is a brighter yellow. So I thought that was so cool. Thank you so much, LanFo, for reaching out to me. And when I saw that they had these gel polishes, I was most excited because my whole journey have been waiting to get my hands on some glow-in-the-dark gel polishes. So you guys are going to see those quite a bit, which I'm really looking forward to. So here we have the PolyGel kit, and I really loved it because the lid just came straight off. I was like, okay, I really like this. This is really nice. And we have a little instruction pamphlet, and it does also, it states the ingredients and all of that. One thing I will say, there was a couple of things that I was like, hold on a minute. Okay, you guys, actually a few things. Duoforms, they were those little short curved ones. I just threw them straight away. Of course, I kept the container. The slip solution, the bottle was mostly empty, I guess you could say, and I was a little confused as to why that was, even though it was a nice bottle, and I didn't feel like that it had spilled or anything like that. The top coat and base coat had great consistency, so I'm really excited to try those. The hand file, I really actually liked it. It was really a nice quality hand file, so I thought that was cool. It was such a good quality that I didn't even feel the need to like do my infamous bending of the file. And then the brush is quality as well, which I really enjoyed that. It's pretty small. So, and then to the polygels, so these little stickers, they don't match the colors of the polygels at all whatsoever, not in the slightest bit. So that really threw me off. And then just like the slip solution was like halfway full, these feel halfway full. And there's only one real problem that I have with that I want to give you guys a disclaimer about. Now, if it is like cost friendly, then I guess, and I don't remember if they have a website or if they're on Amazon, but I will go ahead and get all the information down in the description box if you guys are interested in this kit. But if it is price friendly for the amount of product that they give, then I'll say, okay, cool. But these polygel bottles felt like they were halfway empty, just like that slip solution bottle. And if, like, you guys can see on that bottle, like, it is not filled with product. And you can also tell, because I like to get most of the air out and then push down, you know, and let the product come out. Well, these basically just have to start pushing like towards the middle or closer to the bottom of the tube, which tells you that it's really not filled to the top with product. One of them was pretty stiff, which it could just be the pigment. It could have been a bad batch of it, maybe, I don't know. But overall, I do love the color palette of this kit, and I definitely do like the consistency of the polygel. What I would say is, because this doesn't come with a lot of the color, I think that one was the one that was really hard, or else it was this one. Hold on. No, it was one of those two that it was really hard to get out, or was it this? Oh no, it was this one right here. Yeah, that one was really hard to get out. But overall, I would say if they are going to have a polygel kit like this, where the polygel colors, like you get a lot of colors, but they're small tubes and they're barely full, I would say just add some clear polygel too, like a nice size tube of clear polygel, so that we can create strong nails. But this is the kit, and these are the colors. I did number them. And I really do like the color palette, like 100%. So you guys are going to see me using this soon. Drop some comments down below and let me know what kind of design ideas you guys have in mind. Thank you so much, as always, for tuning into my video. I love you guys so much. Thank you, LanFo, for sending me this product to try and to share with my audience. And you guys will see me use this in a video very, very soon.